When you step out onto the firing line, mechanical safety is the absolute cornerstone of everything we do. Every modern firearm is built on the fundamental premise that a round should never leave the chamber unless the operator intentionally pulls the trigger. Yet throughout the history of firearms engineering, design oversights, worn sears, and manufacturing flaws have occasionally created platforms vulnerable to uncommanded discharges. Today, we are breaking down the definitive countdown of the top 5 dangerous self-firing firearms, exploring the mechanical vulnerabilities that led to unexpected, unprompted firings. We will analyze the physical engineering, drop, safety parameters, and the historical recalls behind these notorious platforms. And our number 1 selection involves an ultra-popular modern-duty pistol, whose safety controversy has taken the entire industry by storm, and might just surprise you. Before we look at the internal mechanics and examine how these systems failed, make sure your eyes are locked on the screen, your audio is clear, and your mind is ready. Let us get straight into the countdown. Number 5. The Sten Gun, stepping onto our list with a rugged historical background. A semi-automatic historical reproduction of the classic Sten Gun commands a retail price of approximately $1,000 in 2026. Engineered during the desperate days of World War II by British manufacturers, this open-bolt submachine gun was built as cheaply and quickly as possible using stamped sheet metal and basic steel tubing. Chambered in the standard 9mm cartridge, the platform tips the scales at roughly 7 pounds and features an incredibly raw utilitarian construction born out of pure wartime necessity. From an ergonomic standpoint, the Sten Gun offers virtually zero shooting comfort or adjustability, utilizing a cold, rigid steel T-stock or wire frame that provides a harsh, unyielding weld against the cheek. The system is famously characterized by its awkward side loading magazine interface, which severely offsets the weapon's center of gravity and complicates overall balance during rapid strings of fire. While its compact frame made it highly mobile for paratroopers and resistance fighters, handling the platform requires extreme mechanical caution due to its lack of modern external safeties. The dangerous flaw in the Sten Gun resides entirely within its simple open-bolt blowback action and primitive trigger housing. Because the heavy bolt must remain locked to the rear before firing, the entire safety system relies on a shallow notch designed to capture a weak sear engagement. If the weapon is dropped, jarred, or physically bumped, the heavy steel bolt can easily slip off the worn sear, springing forward with enough inertial energy to strip a live round from the magazine and fire it completely on its own. Verdict: the Sten Gun remains a classic textbook study in open-bolt vulnerability, proving that extreme manufacturing shortcuts can yield a weapon that is highly dangerous to both the enemy and the operator. Number 4. The SKS Rifle, moving into the semi-automatic rifle category. A standard military surplus SKS rifle retails for approximately $650 on the secondary collector market in 2026. Designed by Sergei Simonov in 1945, this historic Soviet battle rifle is chambered in the intermediate 7.62 by 39mm cartridge and features a heavy-duty milled steel receiver. The core specifications include a robust 20-inch barrel and an integrated 10-round internal box magazine, providing a highly resilient, structurally sound rifle profile that saw widespread combat service across the globe. In terms of ergonomics, the SKS features a traditional full-length wooden stock that delivers a very solid, well-balanced point of aim, but adds significant physical mass to the platform. Weighing in at nearly 8.5 pounds, the rifle's solid wood and steel components do an exceptional job of absorbing the mild recoil impulse of its intermediate cartridge, making it highly comfortable for extended shooting sessions. However, because it lacks a modern detachable feeding system, users must manually load the internal magazine from the top using stripper clips, requiring steady hand manipulation over the open receiver. The mechanical issue that can cause an SKS to spontaneously self-fire is rooted in its short-stroke gas piston action and its completely free-floating firing pin design. Unlike modern rifles that use a spring-loaded firing pin to keep the tip pulled safely back inside the bolt face, the SKS pin moves completely free inside its internal channel. If old storage cosmoline, thick carbon fouling, or internal rust gum up that channel, the firing pin can become locked in the forward position, causing the rifle to violently fire the moment a user releases the bolt handle and chambers a round, often triggering a catastrophic runaway fully automatic discharge. Verdict: this legendary battlefield implement is incredibly robust, but it becomes a highly volatile liability if the operator fails to keep the firing pin channel meticulously clean and free of debris. Number 3. The Taurus PT20, 47 representing a more modern industrial safety failure. The discontinued Taurus PT20, 47 can be found on the used handgun market for roughly $200 in 2026. This Brazilian polymer-framed handgun series was originally marketed as an affordable, high-capacity option for civilian concealed carry and law enforcement duties, offered in 9mm 40 caliber and 45 ACP configurations. The technical core of the pistol features a lightweight polymer chassis married to a machined steel slide, intended to compete directly with dominant European striker-fired designs. Ergonomically, the pistol was highly praised upon its initial release due to its specialized ribbed rubber grip overlay that provided a comfortable, highly secure hold for a wide range of hand sizes. Weighing approximately 28 ounces unloaded, it delivered an agile and easily concealable defensive platform with intuitive 3-iron sights and a standard accessory rail molded into the dust cover. Yet beneath its highly comfortable exterior lay a critical structural vulnerability that eventually triggered a massive $30 million class action lawsuit and a comprehensive factory recall. The catastrophic mechanical breakdown inside the PT-24/7 is tied directly to a defective striker, fired action, and a complete failure of the internal safety mechanisms. Due to tolerances warping inside the fire control housing, the internal sear blocks could disengage completely without any physical activation of the trigger shoe. This defect allowed the pistol to spontaneously discharge a live round when dropped, jarred, physically slapped on the side, or even when simply shaken back and forth, completely bypassing the external manual safety lever. Verdict: the tragic history of this platform serves as an industry-wide warning sign that shortcuts in internal striker engineering can transform a defensive carry gun into a literal hazard on your hip. Number 2. The Remington Model 700, holding a prominent position as one of the most celebrated bolt-action designs in American history. A standard Remington Model 700 commands a current retail price of approximately $850. First introduced in 1962, this legendary platform became the gold standard for long-range precision, serving as the technical foundation for elite military sniper systems and millions of civilian hunting rifles. The engineering features an incredibly rigid cylindrical steel receiver, a heavy cold hammer-forged barrel, and a robust dual-lug bolt body designed to handle high-pressure Magnum cartridges with extreme accuracy. From an ergonomic perspective, the Model 700 is a masterpiece of human engineering, offering an incredibly natural point of aim, clean cheek welds, and smooth bolt manipulation that maximizes shooter comfort. Available in an endless array of premium walnut stocks or weather-resistant synthetic chassis configurations, it balances its physical weight perfectly across the center of the weapon to minimize shooter fatigue during long field stalks. Despite its decades of match-winning heritage, older generations of this rifle were plagued by an incredibly controversial safety flaw surrounding its original fire control system. The dangerous self-firing issue stemmed directly from the classic Walker trigger mechanism, utilized inside the action for decades. The internal blueprint allowed dirt-dried factory lubricants, or rust, to accumulate between the sear and a specialized component called the connector piece. When this occurred, the connector could fail to reset properly, causing the rifle to fire spontaneously the exact moment the user pushed the manual safety selector to the off position, or when the bolt handle was simply slammed shut, all without anyone ever touching the trigger blade. Verdict: a magnificent icon of long-range accuracy that suffered a severe reputational blow due to a documented mechanical vulnerability that could cause the rifle to fire upon safety release. Number 1. The SIG Sauer P320. Claiming the top spot on our list, is one of the most successful commercial and military handguns of the modern era. The SIG Sauer P320, which commands a retail price of approximately $550 in 2026. This highly advanced striker-fired handgun completely revolutionized the industry with its innovative, serialized stainless steel fire control unit that can be effortlessly swapped between various polymer grip modules and slide lengths. Chambered primarily in the popular 9mm caliber, this modular powerhouse ultimately won the grueling United States military contract to become the standard issue sidearm for the American Armed Forces. Ergonomically, the P320 offers exceptional handling comfort, featuring an optimized grip angle, a high-cut beaver tail, and a completely smooth, lightweight trigger press that allows beginners and professionals to achieve superb group sizes. The modular frame layout means a shooter can instantly reconfigure the weapon's physical size from a full-size duty weapon to a subcompact concealed carry package without buying a brand new gun. However, early commercial production variants faced a highly publicized drop safety crisis that sent shockwaves through the entire global firearms community. The core mechanical vulnerability in early-generation P320 pistols involved a physical mass imbalance within the trigger components. If the firearm was dropped at a highly specific 30-degree angle onto a hard surface, the physical weight of the heavy factory trigger shoe had enough backward inertial momentum to pull itself, tripping the internal sear and firing a chambered round without a human finger ever touching the frame. While SIG Sauer immediately corrected this issue through a comprehensive voluntary upgrade program, replacing the components with lower mass triggers and adding a mechanical disconnector, the platform has continued to face intense legal scrutiny and multi-million-dollar jury awards into the mid-2020s over alleged uncommanded discharges inside duty holsters, making it the most intensely debated modern safety topic in the industry. Verdict: a masterpiece of modern modular engineering that serves as a highly critical reminder that even elite military-grade platforms must be handled with absolute mechanical awareness and proper holster selection to ensure total physical safety. Looking back across the long evolution of modern firearms craftsmanship, it is completely clear that mechanical perfection is a continuous journey of rigorous testing and constant improvement. From the crude open bolt geometry of wartime submachine guns to the complex internal physics of modern striker fire duty pistols, the rare instances of self-firing malfunctions remind us why the 4 golden rules of gun safety are absolutely non-negotiable. A firearm is a mechanical device, and maintaining absolute control over your muzzle direction is your ultimate defense against any unexpected structural failure. Have you ever experienced a mechanical malfunction or a slam fire during your time out on the range? Be sure to leave your personal insights and experiences in the comments section down below. If you found this technical safety and ballistic breakdown valuable, show your support by hitting that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming deep dives into tactical weapon systems. Train hard, handle your firearms with absolute respect, and we will see you on the firing line next time.